Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background of your photo using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Photoshop application on my mobile phone, and we have to choose the photo we want to remove the background. For instance, I'm going to remove the background of this photo. I'm going to select it, and we have to go to the background option. Scroll all the way to the right until you find background. Click on the background, and you're going to click on actions right here. Okay, then select remove. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the background has been removed, and once you're ready to save your photo, you just need to click on this icon, and then the photo will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove background from our photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.